Good morning, good morning. Currently in a trade here, 100 shares on DRMA. Take a nice bounce off the low there for a nice 6-cent gain there, about 2%. Small size though, $6. Nice scalp, quick scalp. Not sure if we'll get a higher day retest on this, but we will see. Hope everyone is doing fine this fine, beautiful morning. DRMA. Dermata Therapeutics moving higher as company updated Q1 results. This could be a breakout trade here. Definitely want to be careful. I'm not going to take it right here. It definitely seems a lot of sellers up here. I'm going to have to let this one go. Oh, there it goes. My intuition was right. Felt like there was a lot of sellers up there. It should have broken 36 right up there if it was strong. I had a feeling it wasn't as strong as I thought. Yesterday was a small green day, up about $50 or so. Trading the Halt resumption on, I forget that one stock. Maybe, I forget what I traded. I already forget what I traded yesterday. I'm sure I can find it in here. SBFM and Pola. I traded SBFM and Pola yesterday, small green, adding up $56 a day. Small base hit. You know, it's definitely better to stay consistent in this type of market than taking big risk. Oh, here we go. We might see this break now. We're going to retest it again. Might be worth just to take a starter. 29. And see if we get that curl up to 36. I'm just not sure if this market is that strong. Okay. Maybe let's add it to the high. Oh, man, Jesus. Then barely had time to sell on that. Did I even get green on that? Maybe like $3. See, I had a feeling like this market is not that strong, so like I was a little bit reluctant to buy. I ended up buying, and because the market's not really that strong, the follow-through just wasn't there for that breakout. We broke out at 36, broke the pre-market high, we went to 38, and came all the way back down. It's not a good sign, but you know, I was there. I was there for the big move, for the breakout and the hold and a run higher. How you doing, Adley? Nice to have you on the stream. I was there, that's what counts, and I was able to manage my risk and get out still for small green on that. And, you know, if we did see this bigger move up to like 350 and then hold, you know, that would definitely, you know, get me to size up if we're seeing that big move. But, you know, if we're just going to keep seeing moves like this, chop, and not really any good follow through, I'm staying small share size. If I can get small green and get out, then, you know, I'm happy with that. Yeah, definitely not a good look here with all this chop. Definitely not a good look. I had high hopes for DRMA, but we'll see. Whoa. How you doing, Morgan? Yes, I did shave. I don't know. I was in the bathroom looking in the mirror, and I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna shave. Yeah. Yeah, DRMA with the low flow, it does have potential. However, the catalyst, I was looking at the catalyst today. It says Dermata Therapeutics shares trading higher as the company provided a corporate update and reported Q1 financial results. This isn't really the best catalyst historically with small caps, any sort of like financial results or Q1 results, unless it's like completely uncalled for, like something that we're not expecting. But usually it's not the best. But who knows? I mean, it could still go. It's still really choppy up in this area. It is holding the high though. So, I mean, it could give a move. I'll definitely keep it on watch, but it's not something that I'm going to be, chasing. Let's take a look at the other stocks that we have. CMND, GETR, hour. Oh, it's breaking out here. Let's see. 340, 341. Just got to open up. $350 is going to be the spot for a breakout trade. Sub $3 entry. Yeah, my first entry was on 318 down here and selling at 326. And then I bought it again here at 329 for that, and then added at 334 and took some off at 335, and then I got half caught in that flush at 332 per break even. So still small green. We are getting high a day volume into the high, making new highs, so that's always a good sign. We could see that break at 350. It could be worth a starter here, and then looking to add on the curl up to 350. But we're also 12 minutes till the market open. I don't know. It doesn't look A plus yet for me. I might want to wait for the market open. Adley asks, what's the market cap that I trade? The market cap usually, let me see if I can get a good idea for the market cap that I trade. So market cap, usually I would want to trade less than, ideally less than $100 million market caps. So DRMA, $67 billion market cap. DRMA is $1.7 million market cap. GETR is a $30 million market cap. But I will trade stocks over that if the volume is there. It really just depends on the volume and how hot the market is. But I don't really look at market cap. I exclusively look at the float before the market cap when deciding to trade the stock. So for the float, usually ideally under 20 million share market cap, under 20 million share float. But I will trade over that if it has good volume. Because with stocks with a float over 20 million, usually you need a lot more volume to have those same big volatile moves. Because there's more shares on the market, more supply in the market, so you just need more demand, more volume. Market definitely doesn't. It feels active, a little more active today's pre-market than it has the past 2 days. But again, it's not. It doesn't seem very strong. In a stronger market, we get this clean breakout of 336, nice 1 minute pullback, breakthrough 350, with not a lot of chop in between. We get a break. Now we've been getting a breakout. We get 10 minutes of chop. And then it finally breaks out and holds, and then we get another 6 minutes of pop, and maybe we'll get this curl and break at 350. That's usually not a good sign that the market is strong. So it could be another day where I just get small green and get out, stay consistent, not try to take any big losses, which I'm okay with. I've also been kind of dialing back my pre-market trading a little bit, just because my stats are just, unless it's a really hot market, it's really not worth for me to wake up at 6:30 and then sit down by 7 to start trading from 7 to 9:30, unless it's a really hot market, and I can kind of foresee that. Usually, after you get one big move, after we get a couple 100% move in a stock, then I'll be like, all right, tomorrow I'm gonna wake up at 6:30, sit down by 7, and maybe do some pre-market trading to get green. But on days like the past 3 days where the market's been slow and I kind of know it's gonna be slow, until we get a bigger move in a stock, I just wake up. I wake up later, or I take my time. I kind of just slower to get to the desk because I know I'm not really missing anything, and usually the profits aren't really worth me sitting here for 2.5 hours from 7 to 9:30. And it kind of saves me some mental energy and confidence as well. If I just get chopped up all morning, usually can dampen my confidence a little bit by the market open. But yeah, that's not for everyone. Some people do exclusively well pre-market, In that case, if that's you, definitely you want to keep waking up, you know, when you're making money, at the times that you're making money. DRMA up 70%. The float is very, very small, sub 1 million share float, so it could make a move. CMND, there's been sort of like a trend of sub dollar stocks making a big move. So CMND, we can keep on watch. I'm going to take a look here, see if there's any news on CMND. So Clear Mind Medicine shares are trading higher after the company received approval from the IMCA Center's Ethics Committee for the announced phase 1 out of 2 clinical trial assessing its proprietary MEAI-based compound. CMND for the treatment of AUD. Treatment of alcohol use disorder. That's what AUD is. I mean, it's not a bad catalyst. Launched a clinical trial for alcohol addiction treatment. That could be a pretty good catalyst. I like it. CMND could give a move if the volume does come in. We've been kind of having a sub-penny trend the past couple of days. But the daily chart, this looks atrocious. Look at this. Pop, drop, pop, drop, pop, drop. The risk is there. The risk is definitely there. The warning sign is there. Doesn't mean I won't trade it, but it means I gotta make sure I'm managing my downside risk with this. All right, so I am going to shut down the stream. Thank you guys for tuning in for the watch list. If you guys are new, definitely hit that subscribe button. Also, like the videos. Check out the links down in the description. I'll see you guys later. All right, good luck. Get green. Could be a get green, get out type of day.